everyone. My name is Hafsa from grade 7. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today?
Hi.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say Surah Takbirun with meaning. This